Hi. I was very quiet. I started to say something and then didn't say anything. Okay. Well, welcome to my new channel. This is Queen Alpha Wolf. Just call me Queen. And this is a gaming channel. And so today, we're going to be starting a game called Vlogger Go Viral. Alright, so this little pixie thing says, welcome to Vlogger Go Viral. Are you ready to become internet famous? Hell yeah! Let's do it. I'm an internet fairy. Let me be your guide. Oh my god, I love internet fairies. You can be my guide. First things first, how do you look like? Oh, well technically, I look like that really tan girl with the really dark hair. But I really like the one with the purple hair, so I'm going with that one. Nice, now let's give your channel a name. Pie Smasher? Lumber Pickle? No, not Lumber Pickle. Average Pickle. Proceed. Awesome name! I can already see you at the top of the most viewed charts. I can too. You look at the most viewed in Average Pickle. Oh, okay. This is your bedroom. I'm a professional vlogging studio. Oh my god! Let's start making your first episode. Okay. Press the start button. Choose any of these topics. I wonder which one is trending these days. Cats, dogs, cake, which I'm guessing is food, or music. Cats. It's always cats. While making a video, tap the screen to produce it faster. Okay. I can use 2 fingers. Researching, writing, recording, editing, publish. Value 30 views, I'm guessing. Trendiness right now, 3%. Got 30 views. Yay! Mastery that much. Great! Now let's buy stuff to make your videos, to make our videos better. But do you mean my videos? Are you in the video? I don't think so. I have to buy stuff with views. I only have 5 gems. Is it gonna take away my gems? It didn't take away my gems. Huh. Now each video will give you even more views. Good to know, I guess. Cool. You've learned everything about making videos. Feel free to make more episodes. Did you leave me? It's your cats again. Researching. That's what it says. Researching. Writing. I don't start my writing. Okay. Guys, I am currently taking finals in school. Okay, it says recording now. I'm currently taking finals in school. And yesterday, I did reading part A and reading part B. Okay, now it's on editing. And today, I'm doing reading part C, math part A, and I think math part B. Alright, let's publish it. Value 60 views. Trendiness right now. It went up to 4, but then it went back down to 3. 3%. Got 61 views. Mastery went up a bit. What happens if we master something? Oh god. Look, the time went up from 4 minutes to 30. Oh god. If this is what it's gonna be, this is gonna be really boring for y'all to watch, isn't it? Oh crap. This isn't what I wanted. What is this? This is your channel. Here you can watch your videos and manage the channel comments. Maybe you should listen to your audience and realize what's trending. Nice channel. Cheers. Thumbs up. I'm a robot. Hashtag phone. Go home. No. Puppies are so cute. Okay, I'll do dogs next time. Just found out about this channel. I might subscribe. I'm guessing that's a bad word. More dog videos. Okay. Cool vid. Okay. Just found out about this channel. I might subscribe. Okay. Sports are awesome. Hashtag football. Okay. I am a robot. Hashtag phone. Okay. Do you even lift? Hashtag football. Or maybe that's hashtag sports. Yo, dog. I heard you like dogs. Hashtag dogs. Nice channel. Cheers. These comments are getting repetitive. Go home. Yeah. Cool vid. Sports are awesome. Hashtag sports. Any good videos about sports? Sports isn't a topic. Funny. Thank you. Nice channel. Cheers. Pikachu. I like that. Queen bee? I'm the queen bee. I'm just the queen alpha wolf, little girl. Learn. Sports for life. For real. I play volleyball. Tech for life. Yeah, Shondell too. I get you. This is a pretty decent channel. Thank you. I mean, I'm global rank 428121983, but thank you. What was that? What was the... I'm so confused. This is a pretty decent channel. That's the same comment twice in a row. Puppies are so cute. Hashtag dogs. Sports for life. Hashtag sports. Exercise is good for you. Hashtag sports. Yes, it is. Count for. That's how I'm pronouncing your name. Octopus Fan 007 says, nice vlog. Would watch more. Good. Subscribe, dude. Subscribe to Average Pickle. This is a pretty decent channel. Do you even lift? Cool vid. Nice channel. Cheers. More dog videos. Go home. No. This is I am home. I'm recording this video that I'm actually recording right now. That's going to be posted to YouTube. I'm sitting on my bed. So. Okay. This is a pretty decent channel. Thanks. More dog videos. Okay. Oh, any good vlogs about pop music? I'll make that after the dog videos, because the dog videos seem to be very, wanted. So, I'll make that after the dog video. I'm a robot. Funny. Any good videos or channels about movies? That's not an option for me, but I'll do it soon. Tech for life. That's not an option for me, but I'll do it soon. Funny. Funny. Nice channel. Cheers. What is that? I don't care. It looks good, so I'm not gonna question it. I am home, you little Linkazoo. Funny. Shondell too. You gave me a nice comment earlier. Girl, what even cuss word is that? And why'd you finish it with 4 ones? Why not just the number 4? Chip Vader, why are you guys being so mean to me? More stuff about movies. Oh no, I accidentally, oh no. Did that take away views? Yeah, let's buy a new computer. Oh! I got a new computer, guys. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. If y'all can see my face right now. Oh, dang it. Okay, 3%. Cause that's why, cause people want dogs. If you enjoy, oh, okay. If you enjoy playing Bogger Go Viral, please support us by taking a minute to rate it. Thanks. Not now. I'll rate it later when the video's done. Alright, let's go ahead. And we'll end it by making a quick video about dogs. What? It went up to an hour? What the hell? Okay, guys, well, that's gonna be... Let's check out our last video. Okay. We'll get a poster next time. Go home. Dogs are... Oh, crap. Ah, this is like a mini game inside the game. Global rank number 428121983. Write that down, people. Oh, that wasn't the same as last time. Oh. Oh. No! Nobody cares! Why did I click that? I didn't even read it. Did you guys read it? I didn't read it. No! No! Ah! That doesn't look interesting. Forge alliances. No! Conquer mighty. I didn't even get to finish that. My brain doesn't go with big words. Do I get a hyper coffee? I do. It's the same thing that I had just gotten before. It was no different. You know what? We're gonna finish this video. We're gonna finish making this vlog in the game before ending this video. Okay, this is gonna be really hard to record because basically we're a YouTuber in the game. Just starting out our channel. And I'm a YouTuber in real life, just starting out my new channel. If you subscribed to me on my channel before, I'm going to ask that you do not give that channel out and say, hey, you know, Queen Alpha Wolf's old channel was blah, 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 my old channel, because I'm just trying to cut that channel out of my life. I really just want to forget about it. I'm starting fresh. So yeah, it's not that I was upset about my 560-something subscribers, which, by the way, to people who are subscribing solely because of this channel and know that my goal is 600, that is why. Because I want to get higher than what I left off at my old channel, which was 563, I believe. I want to get to 600. And that is my goal. 600 subscribers, I'll be happy as a fucking clam. Be so happy if we get 600 subscribers. Like, literally, I'll be bouncing off the walls. Okay, well, I can see that we're not going to finish this vlog by the end of this video. So, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching that video. If you liked it, slap that bitch-ass like button and push that thumb button aside. And I will see all you girls and guys in the next video. Wee!